The PRC devices have been able to transmit infrared signals for a long time, and able to control devices that have infrared remotes included, such as your TV, stereo, and other household items. The process used to be somewhat cumbersome, but luckily, it has gotten a lot easier. In this video, I am going to teach you how to get your accent to control your TV. In your toolbox, let's open up the IR Setup menu. Here you will see a button that says, Add a pre-programmed device. If you do not see this button, then you will need to teach your accent each button signal, which I am not going to be going over in this video. If we press that, it is going to ask us to name the device. I am going to name mine bedroom TV. And press OK. Next it is going to ask you for the manufacturer of your TV. I have a Samsung, so I am going to type that and press OK. Now, since I typed out the entire manufacturer's name, I only get one choice here. Samsung has many different products and many types of products, so the first thing we need to do is choose the device type you want to add. I'm adding a TV, so I am going to leave it on TV. Next, since Samsung has more than one TV on the market, we need to choose which remote goes with our TV. There's no way to know this other than trial and error. So choose remote 1, choose power, point the top of the accent at the TV and press test selected function. If the TV, or whatever device you are adding, turns on or off, then you know you chose the correct remote. If nothing happens, try the next remote in the list. Along with the new devices coming with a bunch of pre-programmed remote signals, which saves loads of time and frustration, it also comes with the feature where it will generate a page with commonly used functions. You will see what I mean in a second, but to have this page automatically generated, press Yes here. Here, since we want the accent to automatically generate a page for us, we need to tell it what kind of device we are adding. On the screen before this, we already chose a device type, but that was specifically so that the accent knew what infrared signals to load, whereas on this screen, we need to specify so that the accent knows what kind of page to generate. For example, if we were adding a stereo, we would choose audio receiver because we would need functions such as scan, seek up or down, and other functions that we don't need if we are adding a TV. So since I am adding a TV, I am going to come down and choose television. Then press OK. Now we need to choose how many locations we want the page to be. This should automatically set itself to the same locations as your user area. For instance, I am currently in Unity 84, so as you see, it is already set to 84. That doesn't mean you can't choose something else though. Press OK to continue. This box is just letting you know that the page was created and asks if you want to modify the page. I personally added a number of pre-programmed devices like we just did, and I have never needed to modify the page that is automatically created. I think it's safe to say that 99% of the time, you can press no here. If later on you find that you do need to change something on the page, you can always do it then. So I am going to press no. And at this point, you have successfully added an infrared device and created a page that contains all of the functions. So now there is just one more thing to do. We need a way to get to the page that was automatically created. I am going to point something out here to you that I didn't notice for a while and made things a little more difficult than they needed to be. Do you see where it says bedroom TV? Turns out this is the name of the page that was automatically generated for us. So take note of that because you are going to need to know it in order to link the page. To do this, let's get out of the toolbox and into Unity. You can place the link to the page anywhere you would like. I am going to put it on the remotes page that is already included in Unity. As I said, you can put the link to the bedroom TV remote anywhere you want. I am going to put it right here under the TV1 button just because it already has the color and icon. So let's use the setup key over in the left-hand slide-out panel, also called the left off-screen keys. Then I am going to press the TV1 button, which opens up the screen that allows you to edit various aspects of the button. I am going to go to spell message or define key function. Since we are editing a button that was already programmed by default, you will see that there are already some functions here. This set page function is pointing to a page that is included in the default Unity vocabulary. However, we want it to point to our newly created bedroom TV remote page, so let's first delete that function, also called a tool. Now we need to put a tool here that will take you to the bedroom TV remote page, and we do this with a page link. After pressing the page link key, you will see this pop up. Press yes. I'm not going to explain what this does in this video because when setting up remotes, I can pretty much guarantee you are going to want to say yes to this. Remember back when it told us that the page was created successfully and I told you to remember the name of the page that it automatically generated? Here is where we need the name of the page. Sometimes it won't be this easy to find and you might have to search. I would recommend using the spell page to find function. Since the bedroom TV page is right here, I am going to press it. As you can see, this inserted a tool called set page, and it's pointing to the page named bedroom TV. Now we can press OK. Then we don't have to, but I am going to go ahead and change the label of this key so that we know it's for the bedroom TV. Then press OK, and press OK again. Now you can see that this key says bedroom TV, and if we press it, it is going to take us to the page that was automatically generated by the accent, and now these buttons should operate my bedroom TV. The accent generates these pages from a general template, so all of these buttons might not do anything on your particular TV. For example, my TV doesn't have any of these ABCD buttons, so they don't do anything to my TV. And there you have it, how to add an infrared remote to the accent in Nuvoice. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.